Now that we've talked about integers, we're going to do the operations with them. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also the absolute value all mixed in. So to add means we're going to move right on the number line. So this is showing you're starting at -3 and then you move to the right 8 times, and that will get you to +5. Number one is 1 plus 8, which gives us 9. Number 2, we're down 11 and we go up 9. So that means we're still down 2. Now, I am fine with you using your calculator. Just you need to make sure you pay really close attention to the positive signs and the negative signs. And you should also be able to think about whether the answer you get in your calculator is correct. Again, I always like to think about it as money or as like being in a hole and digging yourself out. So for instance, if we talk about money with this one, you owe someone $11, you've paid them $9, so you still owe them $2. So that's one way to think about it. This one here, you can think about being down in a hole 2 feet. So if you go up 2 feet, you've made it to 0, and then you go up 4 more. So -2 plus 6, you're down 2, you go up 6, you're up +4. Anytime you have opposites being added together, so -7 and +7, you're going to get 0. Back to the money, if you owe someone $7 and you pay them $7, you don't owe them anything. This one, -21 plus 3, you're down 21, but you go up 3, so now you're down 18. Number 6, you're down 9 and you go up 13, means you're going to be at a +4. So adding means we go right, that means subtracting means move left. So here's our example with the number line. We're already at -1, that's our starting value, and then we're going down 3, that puts us at -4. If you want to stop the video and try these out, and then you can check them when you're finished. Number 7, we're at 9 and we go down 4, so 9 minus 4 is 5. Number 8, we're already down 2 and we go down 5 more. So that should show you you're going even further down. So that gives us -7. If you start with a negative and then you subtract, it's like adding the 2 positive numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So -2 minus 5 gives us -7. 4 minus 6. You have $4, but you need to pay $6. That means you still need 2 more dollars, so -2. Number 10, you're down 3 and go down 3 more. It means you're going to be down 6. So -6 should be your answer. -28 minus 8. So you're down 28 and you go down 8 more, gives you -36. And number 12, you're down 5 and go down 11 more, so you are down 16. So -16 is your answer. One thing you need to watch out for is if there are 2 signs. So for instance, if you have a plus and then a negative number, so just like we do here in number 13, it says 2 plus -6. Instead of thinking of it that way, you just write it as subtraction. So for this one, I'm going to write it as 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 gives us -4. It's just one less operation that you have to think about. One less button that you have to push on your calculator if you're going to use a calculator. Okay. We'll look down at number 19 to talk about this one. So this one, you minus a negative, you rewrite that as addition. So for 19, this becomes 9 plus +2, 9 plus 2, which is 11. Number 4, we'll go back up to 14. -7 minus 1. Okay, instead of plus a negative, it's just minus. That gives us -8. If you want to pause and then replay it to see if you get them all correct, you can do that. This one is going to be -20 minus 5, which is -25. Number 16 changes to 18 minus 2, which is 16. Number 17, -15 minus 14 is -29. Number 18, 1 minus 7 is -6. We already did 19. Number 20, -12 plus 3. Minus negative becomes plus positive. -12 plus 3 gives us -9. 0 minus -10 means 0 plus 10, which is just 10. -6 minus negative means plus 19. -6 plus 19. The other thing you can do is you can always switch these around also. That means 19 minus 6. So as long as the 6 stays negative and the 19 stays positive, you can flip those around if that's helpful. That should give us positive 13. 23, -2 plus 23. Minus negative needs to change to plus positive. Again, what I think in my head is 23 minus 2. That gives me 21. And our last one becomes 21 plus 7, which is 28.